Allahu Akbar. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك وتبارك اسمك وتعالى جدك ولا إله غيرك.
Muhammad, have you ever noticed that boy praying?
Yes, mashallah. He's always in the masjid praying.
And his prayers are so long.
I know. He never seems to get tired of remembering Allah.
Yes, subhanallah. Once he was praying and he went into sajda for so long. I thought he was dead. I was going to call the ambulance.
MashaAllah, I wish I was like him.
By the way, I'm fasting as well. The Messenger of Allah ﷺ said, "Should I inform you of that which I fear for you even more than the dangers of Dajjal? It is hidden shirk. A person stands to pray and he beautifies his prayer because he sees the people looking at him."